One of the applications of the heap data structure is in sorting data. So let's say we have an integer array called numbers with a bunch of random numbers. Let's say 5, 3, 10, 1, 4, and 2. Now we can use our heap class to sort this array. So we create a heap object, new heap. Then we loop over our numbers array and add each number to our heap. So for var number in the numbers array, we call heap.insert and give it this number. Now, this heap that we have here is a max heap, so the root node holds the largest value, in this case, 10. If we remove 10, the second largest value, in this case 5, is going to be moved to the root. And that means if we keep removing these numbers from our heap, they're going to come out in descending order. Let me show you. So we do a while loop. While this heap is not empty, we do a print line and call heap.remove. Take a look. So our numbers are coming out in descending order. Now, instead of this while loop, we can use a for loop and modify the elements in this array. So for I, we set it to 0. As long as I is less than numbers.length, we increment it. And in each iteration, we set numbers of I to heap.remove. Now our array is sorted in descending order. Let's verify that. So we do a print line, call arrays.toString, and pass our numbers array. Take a look. So our array is sorted in descending order. What if you want to sort it in ascending order? That is very easy. We change the direction of this loop. So we start from the last element, numbers.length minus 1. As long as I is greater than or equal to 0, we're going to decrement it in each iteration. Now, when we run the program, our array is sorted in ascending order. So this is one of the applications of the heap data structure. Next, we're going to look at another application of heaps in building priority queues.